हम ताकत किस लिए चाहते हैं? इसलिए नहीं कि दूसरे पे हमला दें या दूसरे को धमकी दें, केवल इसलिए कि हमारी समस्याएं इतनी बड़ी हैं कि ताकत होगी, शक्ति होगी, जनता की सहयोग होगी, तभी हम जाके उन चीज़ों का सामना कर सकते हैं।
This is where it all began. The Prakash Badal Singh led Akali Dal formed the government in 1977. To win back the electorate, Congress turned to Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale, a rival of the Akali Dal, to reduce their influence. Not long after, Jarnail Singh started to walk the path of extremism and began propagating his ideas from the Akal Takht. History tells us the most vilifying quality of Jarnail Singh was his hubris.
ਕੈਂਚੀ ਤੇ ਪਛਨੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੂੰਹ ਸਿਰ ਮੁੰਨ ਦੀਏ ਤੇ ਹਿੰਦੂ ਪ੍ਰਤੀਤ ਹੁੰਦਾ। ਕੈਂਚੀ ਪਛਨੇ ਨਾਲ ਲਾਵਾਂ ਕੱਟ ਕੇ ਸੁਨਤ ਕਰ ਦਈਏ ਤੇ ਮੁਸਲਮਾਨ ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦਾ। ਤੇ ਕੈਂਚੀ ਪਛਨੇ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਨਾ ਕਰੀਏ ਤੇ ਜੰਮਿਆ ਜਮਾਇਆ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੀਏ ਤੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਗਾਤਰੇ ਕਿਰਪਾਨ ਪਾ ਲਈਏ ਤੇ ਸਿੰਘ ਹੈ।
It also tells us that the centre remained oblivious to the lawlessness in Punjab during this time. Many journalists had the opportunity to meet Jarnail Singh despite his heavy security, and he was never afraid of what he said or what was reported.
तो मैंने ऐसी बातों में भिंद्रवाले से कहा, मैंने जो कुछ आप कर रहे हैं एक दिन ऐसा होगा कि आपके सामने कोई एक्शन होगा। तो उन्होंने मुझे बड़े सादगी से कहा कि अरे क्या एक्शन होगा, तुम्हें मालूम नहीं है। उन्होंने छत से मुझे इशारा करके देखा कि देखो वो देखो सामने खेत है, खेत नज़र आए थे वहाँ से। कहते बस 7-8 किलोमीटर का रास्ता है, वहाँ पे बॉर्डर है और हम पीछे से निकल के आराम से बॉर्डर पार करके उधर चले जाएंगे और वहाँ से फिर हम छापामार युद्ध करेंगे। बड़े कॉन्फिडेंस से उन्होंने मुझे बताया और मुझे ये हैरानी थी कि ये शख्स मुझे ये सब कुछ बता रहा है और ट्रस्ट कर रहा है। उसने मुझसे ये भी नहीं कहा कि तुम इस बात को छापोगे नहीं।
He was involved in numerous clashes in Punjab, leading to the death of many people. However, never convicted. But in 1980, Gurbachan Singh, the third guru of the Sant Nirankari sect, was killed in his home. The murder weapon was licensed to a brother of Bhindranwale. And for the first time, Bhindranwale's name appeared in a police report. Soon after, at the word of the then Home Minister Zail Singh, who vowed to his innocence in Parliament, Bhindranwale was free. As Jarnail Singh continued to amass power, he made the Akal Takht in the Golden Temple home to his preachings. Anyone who opposed Bhindranwale and his demand for Khalistan was eliminated. President's rule in Punjab had failed to have any effect. Administration in the state had crumbled and extremists had infiltrated the police force. By 1984, he had become the de facto ruler in Punjab. The centre had become aware of the sophisticated weaponry that Bhindranwale possessed and therefore decided to send the army as opposed to other paramilitary forces. Anticipating an attack from the centre, he spread his instructions to be ready through cassettes which were circulated throughout Punjab. Thus came to be the occurrence of Operation Blue Star, led by General K.S. Barar. As the army set up base surrounding the Golden Temple, the whole country knew that military action was imminent. The mission, as stated by General Barar, was clear the Golden Temple complex by swift military action and capture maximum militants, weapons and ammunition. The troops entered on 5th June. By 6th June, 200 militants surrendered, and by the end of the day, the army could confirm that Bhindranwale perished in the firing. Many Sikh youths joined the Khalistan movement after the operation, which had damaged portions of the Golden Temple.
मुझे चिंता नहीं है कि मैं जीवित रहूं या नहीं रहूं, मेरी लंबी उम्र रही है और मैं इस पर मुझे अगर गौरव किसी चीज पर है तो इस पे है कि सारा जीवन मेरा सेवा में गया था।